When we first got our assignment, we went straight into brainstorming. We brainstormed all the single touch motions, such as tapping, double tapping, swiping, and etc., and what can be done to shape and move the boxes. Then we used those motions to put together some simple models. We came up with two models. First one was with buttons, similar to the scaffold code, but with refinement. And the second was to have sliders on the sides to control size and rotation. We coded both ideas and self-tested to find that the sliders were the fastest choice. The one with buttons were very slow and inaccurate. This is our first model. We tested it with several different people and they gave us feedbacks, like that they couldn't see where their square was going and the sliders were too small of an increment. We also self-tested a couple times and found that the sliders went bigger when we slid down, which seemed counterintuitive. We also decided that we need to have better confirmation. Our data also showed that there were a lot of errors when dragging the square because once the tester let go, the game went on to the next trial. To fix the slides, we just reversed it to make the sizing get smaller when you slide down. We added slide bars and the background to become green when the square was in the right place. We fixed the code so that the testers would have to double tap when they placed the square in the correct place to decrease error. From the feedback, we decided to have an offset targeting to allow testers to see where the square was because their fingers covered the screen. And the small increments, which we thought would be a good idea since the small absolute value distance means smaller movement, we discovered that this made errors and actually took more time, so we increased the increments. We also added arrows in our slide bars to show an approximation of how much testers need to drag before the square was in sync. After we implemented new codes, we tested them with more people and they all gave us positive feedbacks. Before the bake-off, we decided to add a feedback feature to vibrate when the sizing or the rotation is correct. This is our final version. You slide up and down for sizing and left and right for rotation. Then, when the bars are green, you drag the gray square to the green square. When the whole screen lights up green, double tap and you will move on to the next round.